टीचर कहाँ गई? अलीजा ना अलीबा तुम लाने क्यों की रोज मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा था मिस लेके कर लिया लीव.
Okay. Am I audible, students? Welcome back. Yes, Miraj. Am I audible? Give me thumbs up, Miraj. Miraj, give me thumbs up. Am I audible?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So we are going to continue. We were discussing polygons. We were discussing polygons. Number 1
Yes.
was
Yes. Pentagon.
just a minute.
Number 1 is pentagon. Number 2 is pentagon.
Okay.
Number 3 is octagon.
Yes, please everyone.
Pentagon. Octagon.
Mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. Everyone, mute yourself, Vijay. Everyone, mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Pentagon, hexagon, pentagon, hexagon. Pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Octagon. Penta means 5.
Okay.
5 sides has. Penta is 5. Hectagon.
Okay. So now we are doing exercise. We are going exercise. Which shape it is, students? Shape it is?
Square.
Very good. Very good. It is square. Yes, this is square. Now,
Square.
okay. Which shape it is?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Okay, now, which shape it is? Rhombus. Very good.
Rectangle. Rhombus.
Yes, this is rhombus. Okay. Now, which shape it is? Yes, this is kite. Okay, now which shape it is? Which shape it is? Yes, this is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Very nice. Very good. Very good.
Parallelogram.
Okay. Okay.
Parallelogram.
Okay.
Parallelogram.
Okay. Very good.
Parallelogram.
Now which shape it is?
Pentagon.
Okay, this is pentagon. Okay, now which shape it is?
Hexagon.
Yes, this is hexagon. This is hexagon. Why this is hexagon? Who will tell me?
It has 6 sides.
Very good. Excellent. This has 6 sides.
6
That's
corners.
That's why it is hexagon. Okay, now.
Hexagon. Miss, it is hexagon. Octagon.
Yes.
Octagon. Octagon. It has
has eight
It
sides.
is
It has eight sides, eight corners.
Eight corners.
Eight corners.
Eight sides. Eight corners.
It has eight
It has eight sides. Eight corners.
corners. It has eight sides. It has eight sides and eight corners.
It has eight sides and eight corners.
Don't unmute us, miss, please.
Eight corners.
Don't unmute.
It has eight. Teacher, it has eight sides.
Mute. It has.
Teacher, it has. I can listen you. It has.
Miss, it has.
I can listen you.
Us, miss, please don't. No, miss, don't unmute us, please.
Miss, I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you, Miss.
Miss, we cannot hear you.
Miss,
We cannot hear you.
Miss,
Miss, I cannot hear you.
Am I audible?
Please.
Yes,
Hello?
You are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, you are audible, miss.
Now, everyone, unmute yourself. Mute yourself.
ना करे.
Okay. So I hope everyone has enjoyed today's session. I will see you on
Yes,
Monday.
miss, so much.
Yes, Miss.
Best of luck for your
Yes.
monthly test. Do a good preparation. Okay. Now
Okay.
I am signing off.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, bye, miss.
Allah
Bye,
Hafiz.
Miss.
Allah Hafiz,
Bye,
everyone. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, miss. Bye. We enjoy your period.
Bye bye. Bye bye.